What's up, everyone? It's Modern here. I have been running into a little issue on my computer with Reason 8. You can see I'm using a Reason 8 software because I haven't upgraded. So the initial issue is that when you download this software, you're unable to run it because the Soundbanks keep downloading, and they download to nowhere. Essentially, they download and delete themselves. So in our application folder, we go over here, we look at our Reason, and it looks like this. Okay, so how do we fix this? Let's get started with fixing this. Okay, oh, excuse that bass. So what we need to do is we need to go out and we need to download the Reason Soundbank and the Reason. Well, you can download the full one. It'll come with the DAT file that we need. And here is a little. I'll post all the links below. Here's a little walkthrough. You pretty much download. You move all these files to your library folder. Okay, so you want to click your main hard drive, you want to click your Macintosh, you want to click your library, application support, P for Propellerhead Software, right here. We want to go into there, and we'll see our files will look like this. We want to go into our Soundbanks, right here, and we want to delete the PH download file that might exist in there, and we want to take the files that come in our Reason 83_2, and we want to drag it into those folders. So the ID8 put into the ID8. So what's happening is that Reason, the client is downloading these files, but it's not putting it in the respective folders because of probably some security issue where Apple doesn't allow certain programs to move some files around into certain folders. So I'm in the most recent operating system, which is why I'm in High Sierra. So we just take this ID8 file, drag it in there, factory Soundbank, drag in Reason 8, and Orkester, we put it in the Orkester file. Okay, and then after that it should be able to run perfectly right after that. So that was my initial start. I'll just quit it and start it up again just to show you guys that it works, and then you will be on your way. Okay, there it is. Boom. Thank you so much for watching. It'll give you some startup screen to manage your audio interface preferences and stuff. Go along with that, finish that, and have a fun time in Reason. I'm excited to finally get this unlocked and figure it out. Holy, just didn't have the patience to sit down and do it. But now, there it is for you. Okay? Thank you everyone for watching, and until next time, MDRN, Modern Music, it's your boy, I'm out. Peace.